Friends, this is a very traditional green peas vegetable I'm going to show you today. So this is 250 grams of green peas, 1 medium size onion. This is dry coconut which is grated. This is 6 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of the garam masala. This is curry leaves, 3 curry leaves and 3 cloves of garlic, which will be needed for the vegetable. And this is 1/4 teaspoon of the hing, and haldi is 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, to start with, we first dry roast the coconut, the dry coconut which I have shredded. So let's just roast it to nice and brown, golden brown. Okay, so see, our coconut is nice and brown. Now we remove this in a bowl and we'll do the onion. In the same pan, now we do the onions. First, you have to dry roast it so that it loses a bit of its water. And then we add like 2 teaspoons of like 1/2 teaspoon of oil. This also you just need to dry roast for some time. Okay, so see, the onion is started drying up. Now we add just little bit of oil, just to see this is what we are looking for. So that we get it a little fried taste to it. Now and get it a little brown. This we add the garlics too, the 6 cloves of garlic that we had said about. Now see, the roasted coconut is in the bowl. Now to this we add the onion and the garlic, and we now have to grind this into a fine masala. We add a little water and get this masala ground. This is the ground masala which we have just made, which will be necessary for our vegetable now. Let's start with our recipe. Add like 1.5 teaspoon of oil. To this, now see, this is what I was talking about. To this we add this garlic. Now this garlic is with its skin. It's washed. I've washed it and dried it, and it's with its skin. This is what they always use to add flavor, because they feel that the skin has a lot of flavor. So they always add the garlic. In the villages, they always add the garlic with the skin. This is a typical Ratnagiri village style of way of making it. And we add the curry leaves or the curry patta. As this garlic starts browning slightly, we add the hing and the haldi. And a bit, half of the red chili powder. Now to this, we add the ground masala which we just made. See the aromas coming out? It's really very fragrant, this masala. Roast it a bit on the oil. Now to this we add the peas. Nicely coat the peas with the masala. add the remaining of the red chili powder and the salt to taste. Now keep it on low flame and cover it. First, do not put any water right now. Cover it and put a little water on the cover. Okay, now see the water on top has become nice and hot. So now this water has to be added into the vegetable. Now add the remaining salt that is needed and the garam masala. So here's our peas vegetable with the lovely paratha that I've made. And I'm too hungry, so I'm going to have a taste of this. Really? Sorry. It's really yum. Guys, please do try it out.